Okay, so I wanted to do my very first vlog, and I didn't know what to do it on, so I decided to do it on this. This is my dog, Reese's. Okay, hi Reese's, say hi to the camera. I want to show you something that she does that's very funny. This is a cardboard box.
Oh no.
Reese's! Look what I got!
What the hell is that?
She makes this house safe of boxes. As you can tell, okay, this is all part of the Hefty. I think that's a Ritz cracker box. Ooh, the shiny stuff, that is the goldfish box. Okay, so we're just gonna go over to her lair. Hi. Now, this is very funny. I want you to watch this part. Reese's. I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it. And she refuses. She rips it up as if it's like a dangerous predator or something. So who needs to buy puppy toys when you can just give your dog a cardboard box that you already emptied and are no longer going to use? So just give it to the dog, enjoy a couple hours of romp time, and laugh until your spleen hurts or until, you cough to death and cough up a lung. So this is my first vlog, so enjoy. Hey, Reese.